sesize umkhuleko ngonyezi impande egawulezweni. Into engizoyichaza la guys ukuthi it's very important ukuthi ube nedlozi elihamba nawe, even though you are not spiritually gifted or you are, but kubalulekile ke ngoba fanele wazi ukuthi likufisela ini. Yes, ngiyabona khona izinto oyifisa ngawe, but lona likufisela leyo nto leyo noma cha. Yingakho kade ngiveza ukuthi ukuhamba nedlozi lesilisa ave kunzima ngobani. You can't just date, can't just be in a relationship nje like just like that and like accept a person to be in your life. Yabo, kumele ukhulume nalabantu abadala uhamba nabo, amakhehla, like amakhehla wodwa, you know. Kunzima nje, kunzima ngobani bafuna umuntu ohlanzekile, bafuna umuntu onjengabo. Wena uzomlethela isidakwa sosi amadlozi akho awasiphani nokuphuza nenhlobo, so lento bese ayihambiselani nabo. Then noma insizwa esimegawula ihlahla siqephuke manje, ayeze gawula 2 hours wonke, yabona. Sengisho ukuthi abantu abadala nje, abantu abakwambethe amakhehla anzima guys, anzima. Uba nolaka kahle kahle, uba nolaka lelo nzima lokuthi nendoda yakho uyajothi lazongidlangela wena, uyabo. Ngobani indoda nendoda nje akaze futhi kwahlaliselana, uyabona. Kungcono mhlawumbe umuntu bazokulethela umuntu ozokwazi ukukuthobela. Idlozi lesilisa lilethele indoda ezoyilalela, yabo. Mothi awuyilapho izothi okay ma ngeke ngize ngendawo sohlala bawu. Kodwa mezolethela umuntu oyokutshela ukuthi hayi sizongqubuzana endlini, uyabo. Ungaforce, hlala nje uchile, isikhathi siyeza. Wena sebenzela idlozi lakho, ungaloku nawe ufanele ube khona umuntu kanjani uforce, linda lizokulethela. And nje idlozi lesilisa likwenza izinto ezi-strange. Uthanda ukudla inyama kakhulu, uyayidla inyama, uyayidla and ngiyayidla nami inyama. So you feel like sometimes I need to cut my hair. Kumele ngikunde ikhanda nje, ngizwa ngicasuka nje nginywele. Idlozi lesilisa linjalo, uyabo. Uzwe futhi engasimuhle nabantu besifazane abaningi, you feel so like loved, like kanti no, ilona dlozi lesilisa lihle nabantu besifazane. So when you're trying to understand umuntu, ukhulume naye, uyabona, ugcina usumbuza nezinto ezijulile nje. That is idlozi lesilisa ke linjalo. It's so crazy. Then abantu abadala bayanakekelwa guys, yini bayalalelwa. And another thing that is happening when you're in a relationship with someone else, if you ended up being responsible and more than your husband, because you are a man as well. Inside you, there is a man who's making sure your man is happy, not hungry, got clothes. You end up being responsible to anyone anyway. So you're so overprotective, and that is so good. That is so good as well. Yeah, there are a lot of things anyway. There are a lot of things about this Lisa. Yeah, well. So all I can say, don't rush things. I know you can just say, I'm not gonna date this one, I'm not gonna say a relationship here even as of the blue. Because you now look at no, I met no. Because you ended up having friends with guys than girls, because you just feel like so comfortable, like you can do the thing, you can go out, you can chill, you can listen to them when they're speaking. Maybe today's topic about girls, you're now gonna end up like now is putting some advisors to them just to make the lines be straight from their side. So yeah, there are a lot of things, hey. So, and some of us, we like watching sports, we like having some drinks, and sometimes you can control yourself because maybe if you have isuya, like same like me, I'm making sure my body is clean. I'm making sure that whenever I pray, everything goes like smoothly and there's nothing negative about my energy, or I just make sure everything is perfect about my life. And I'm making sure whenever I'm making something that is not right, I'm just making my own decision and correct myself like easily to do whatever I was asked to do from my ancestors. So I make sure every single day I'm so clean. I'm so clean. Or if I've been invited to maybe in an event, whenever I come to home, I clean. And another thing, if there's someone betrayed you, I'm 100% sure we'll never forget that thing. Even for me, I always remind you and say, hey, well, you remember what you did to me, because I have this courage and this strength that, hey, you need to protect yourself. If someone comes to you and tell you something very bad, unnecessary, you just go up and pull up your wings and tell them, hey, I don't know what you're talking about, you see, because there's this male inside you. So that is all, guys. Ngiyacela, if khona umuntu ekhaya ohamba nedlozi lesilisa, lalela lona, iba ilona, phakeme kakhulu, phakame. Mina nje, hayi, aphakama, anginandaba nje, and ngiyasebenza, because it is a hard worker. I do whatever I want to do. Sometimes, even maybe there's a man who's always likes to get some advices from you, not because maybe he's interested in you. He's interested to that person inside you who wants to speak, who got advice, who got love, who got that attention to that man. So maybe another person will just think like otherwise. So no, it's just that you're so attracting guys, more like a lot of people, because there is this wonderful spirit who is so active inside you. Keep on doing that and don't stop. Be that even more. Even more. Sebenze. Amukele idlozi liphile emzimbeni walo. Liyekele idlozi lakho libuse la. La. Angithi ngoba laphakama. Liphakama. Laphakamela ukusebenza. Laphakamela amandla, laphakamela impilo, maliphile ngawe. Wena umzimba wakho nje usule nomqondo wakho le, sekukhona okhaliphile manje. Oza namandla, oza nempumelelo, oza nomsebenzi, oza nokukhanya, oza nokuvikeleka. So kumele uwamkele ube yiwona. Yabo. So nje guys, injalo indaba. Awuhlala lapho nensizwa yakho lapha ekhaya, wena ombethe yikhehla. Niba amakhehla lapha endlini, idla inyama, uqobe lapha nishadini. Kube mnandi nje, kuchilo nje. Zonke izinto zibe mnandi. Leyo nsizwa yakhe lapho, hayi, sazohlisa umoya ngoba khazoshuba kakhulu endlini. Uma ukuthi wakayithola insizwa engimele ikulalele, hayi, isazofika ezokulalela, mina ngiyakutshela. Yeza, izoza. Wagogo ombethwa ugogo, gogo nje ezagogo ngiyazazi ke zagogo. Ngisazoyikhuluma nje sikagogo ukuthi ugogo nje uma mbethe isalukwazi nje, hayi. Ngizochaza. Isalukwazi. Ngonichazela ngokulandelayo. Nisale kahle emakhaya, makube kuhle njalo. Phakanye bonke abantu abadala, kukhanye kube khona inhlanzeko, kube khona izibusiso, kubuswe ngempela ekhaya bayethu. Akube njalo ke makhosi makhulu baye.